wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids!
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. I'm Bob Ross. Welcome back to the Bob Ross Show. Today, we're going to do a Bob Ross painting.
Ooh, are we going to paint trees and mountains?
I'm going to teach you how to do a really beautiful landscape that you'll learn in 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it'll be like,
wow. I love it. Okay, Bob.
Okay.
I've got my paintbrush.
Yeah, very good. You need your palette.
Got my palette right up here.
Got your colors.
Yeah, we have let's see. For colors, I have a dark blue.
Yeah, acrylic blue.
A dark blue. And then I have a
white.
White. Yep.
Okay.
And over by you. Sorry, Bob. Didn't mean.
Yeah.
And then a lighter blue.
Yeah.
Great. So
you got your canvas?
My canvas already has a picture on it.
Oh, well,
I don't want to paint
I guess we're going to do something different today. Actually, Olivia, we're going to do something even greater. Something that Bob Ross couldn't even do.
What? Bob Ross could basically do anything.
I'm not too sure about this one.
No?
No.
Whoa. Yeah. What are we going to do?
Oh, I got that upside.
That was like an alien. I liked it.
I can do it sideways too.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not. How about this way?
Now Noah's a doll.
I'm not a doll.
You have a doll face.
No.
Yeah. What?
How do you like that?
That's weird.
We're going to do face masks.
Oh, face masks!
But not just any kind of face masks.
Ooh, what kind of face masks?
You know which movie's going to come out soon?
I think it's Blue Man Group.
No.
No?
No.
But you're talking about the one with the blue people, right?
Yeah. I am talking about the one with the blue people.
It's blue people, and they're like from space, and they save the whole universe.
But they're not the Blue Man Crew. It's from Avatar!
Oh, I knew that. It was on the tip of my tongue. Avatar. Yes, I'm sorry. Avatar.
Avatar 2.
Ooh, Avatar 2.
Have you seen the first one?
I have, yeah.
Yeah, really?
Yeah,
I haven't.
really liked
Mom won't let me watch it.
Oh.
I'm kind of surprised that you've seen it.
Yeah, I am.
Did you watch it when you weren't allowed to watch it?
I guess so. I thought I was allowed to watch it, so I turned it on, and it was interesting. You know what one I really like, though?
Yeah, well, what's that?
Fern Gully. Now, there is a fine movie about a fairy that helps save the world.
What's Fern Gully?
It's an old cartoon. Yeah.
Oh, you saw Fern Gully, which is Avatar?
It was kind of Avatar to me. It was like a kid-friendly Avatar.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe we should watch Fern Gully.
Yeah, we should watch Fern Gully, but I think everybody else in the world would...
Do they also have, like, Avatar people in that one?
No, they only had fairies.
Oh.
I like fairies a lot, but they were not blue.
Well, maybe next time we can do fairy masks, but today I thought we were going to teach the kids how to do Avatar masks.
Yes. How do you do an Avatar mask, you know what?
Yeah, the thing is, we could put makeup on ourselves, but the thing is, we'd have to wipe it away.
Yeah,
Right?
Yeah.
Not so pleasant.
And then I wash it down the drain.
Exactly.
I lose all my makeup.
Exactly. We don't want that.
No.
But the thing is, in order to make us look like Avatar every day, we just use a mask like this.
Whoa. And then I can wear it whenever I want to play Avatar.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
Right? It's so much better.
Yay. Yes, okay. Noah, please tell me how to make an Avatar mask.
It's really easy. So, you know the colors that you pointed out at the beginning? If you maybe can pick those up.
All of them? Okay.
Yep. You basically, kids at home, just need all three of those. Because your bases...
Oh, they're kind of slippery.
Oh, okay.
I can only get two at one time.
Okay, here, why don't I just
You take that one.
Stand them up here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Well, it's actually this one that I want. Can you just give that one to me? Sorry. Okay. So this one, the acrylic blue. So this we basically paint all over the face. Okay.
Ooh.
And then
so like kind of like a medium blue, maybe like a cobalt blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's definitely darker than the one that we have in the background.
Yeah. Like
so like this.
Yeah.
It's very easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly like that.
Okay. So you basically use your paintbrush and paint the whole face with it.
Paint the whole face blue?
Yeah, you paint the whole face blue.
Is there Sorry. I had some strings
Oh, okay.
attached to me.
Okay.
Is the whole face blue, like completely blue?
Yeah, completely blue.
Ooh, okay. And then what do I do?
And then you let it dry. And then after that, you take this blue.
Ooh, okay, the dark blue.
The dark blue, yeah.
Dark blue, okay.
And then again with a paintbrush, you make like small little, I don't know how to call it.
Like stripes?
Stripes, but a little bit not too small. We don't want it to look like a tiger or a cat.
Oh,
so they can be a little bit thicker, and they should kind of accentuate your face features.
Oh,
like you know,
so like
at right there, it can go this way, and then up here it can go up like that.
So kind
and
of
then
like
down
long
here, it can go-
triangles?
Yeah, that's actually good. Yeah, that's really good.
Okay.
And then, if you look at images from the first Avatar movies, you'll see that they have a lot of white dots, like just around this area.
Oh, and that's what we use this paint for, right?
Exactly. That's why you use paint, and then we just need a tiny paintbrush.
Okay, so we use a little of this paintbrush and go dot 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 dot.
Exactly.
Dot, dot, dot. Ooh.
And then you use that string that you have there.
Oh.
And then you just basically attach it to the face mask, so you can then attach it and it'll stick on you.
Oh yeah, and I can pull the string over my head so I can just wear the mask. Ooh,
So,
perfect.
Since I kind of already prepared that work,
Yeah.
because you kids, you can do that at home. So all you need is face masks,
Ooh.
those three colors, the yarn or the elastic,
Yeah, elastics.
paintbrushes, water, to clean everything up and everything,
Yeah.
and some time and patience to, make sure that everything's dry. And
yeah.
I already did both of it. So I have yours and I have mine. So kids, just hold on, be right back.
Oh.
Olivia, can you just entertain them for a second?
Oh yeah, I
and
can
I'll get
entertain
it.
them. So hey kids, so I know the movie Avatar is really good. I hope that you guys get to see it one day. I don't know. Noah said it was too old, but yeah, I guess. I don't know. But it's got really blue people. Oh, you know what? Kind of like the Smurfs. The Smurfs have blue people, and the Smurfs are for kids. So the Smurfs, like say if the Smurfs went up to space, and the Smurfs were hanging out in space, and somebody bad, like Gargamel. So the Smurfs are in space, and Gargamel comes, and woo! That's awesome.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Whoa, should I go get mine?
So that's it.
That's it. Whoa, Noah.
Yeah.
You look great.
Yeah.
You
I did
look-
the same one for you.
Can I grab it?
Yeah, sure. Grab
Okay,
it.
Okay, I'm gonna grab it. I'll be right back, kids.
Okay. Looks pretty cool, huh? So it doesn't really fit with my face, but, I have a special featured looking face. Let me see if I can adjust it. There, now it's better. Now I can see you. Oh, this is so much better. See, kids? This is what you just have to put on. I know, there's still parts of it missing in order to look like really, really, really blue. But for that, you just, you can get the costume from Amazon or at a Halloween costume shop, and then you can completely look like an avatar. Whoa!
Avatar!
That looks so amazing.
Avatar! Woo! And look, if I pull my hair forward, then you can't see my face.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't have that.
Yeah.
I can't do that. But you know what? I still have don't tell Mom, but I ordered the ears, and I ordered us a costume and the hair. So
With the avatar hair?
Yeah, we'll look completely like avatars.
We are gonna be so avatar.
Yeah. There's only one problem we have.
What's that?
We have to travel to Avatar Land.
That sounds wonderful. That doesn't sound like a problem. That sounds like
Yeah, but how are we going to get there?
we'll ask a fairy.
Oh, that's a good
Yeah,
idea.
I think if we just ask a fairy, then the fairy can take us to Avatar Land.
Okay.
Probably, right?
Well, kids, see if we actually make it to Avatar Land in one of our next
Yeah.
episodes.
Woo! It'll be so much fun.
In the
I wonder if
meantime-
people will be surprised to meet us in Avatar Land.
Yeah, yeah. In the meantime, we're gonna finish our costume. But I hope you learned how to make these Avatar masks for your own Halloween costume,
Yeah.
or anything
Or
else.
just for fun, or to
Yeah.
hang on your wall. Like,
Yep,
that's pretty cool.
yep.
Wow.
You look really good.
You look really good
I
too.
have to say.
It's strange.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
I like
kids.
it. Okay. Bye, kids.
You
Have
should
fun.
come closer.
Oh, should I come closer to you?
Oh, yeah.
Like that?
Wow, that's a very nice picture.
Yeah, and look. Ooh. Wait, if I move forward, then my hair will cover your... No, you stay back.
Oh, sorry.
Then look, now my hair covers your face and my face.
Nice.
Ooh. Cool.
Okay, kids. Thanks for watching Dream Again.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
See you guys next time. Have fun making avatar masks.
Yeah, have fun.
Bye. Woo, this is neat.
Yeah, let's try on the costumes I
Okay.
got.
All right, let's go get the
They're
costumes.
in my room.
Okay. All right, I'm coming.
Okay.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!